Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add a watermark to Google Docs. So open up the document you want to add the watermark to. Then we're going to navigate to the Tools tab and click on Insert. Going to scroll down to Page Elements. Then I'm going to scroll across and click on Watermark. That will open up a panel on the right hand side. So you've got a couple of different options for your watermark here. You can add an image or you can add text. So I'll show you what the text would look like. So ask you to add your text. So I'm going to add in my channel name. And as you can see, it's given me the watermark, and this will be added to all the pages that you create. If you don't want the text, you can also add like your logo or an image by selecting image, then clicking on select image, and you have different options for where you can get your watermark from. So you can upload something from Google Drive, Google Images, Photos, a link, or webcam. So I'm going to browse my files and find my logo and add that. So let's see if I can find my logo. Oh, I spelt it wrong. There we are. So I'm going to click on my logo, click on open. That's going to add it to my document, as you can see. You can edit it a little bit further as well. So by clicking on it, and then scrolling down and more image options. So you can change the opacity, the brightness, the contrast, things like that. And you can also go into the image and resize it on your document. So I might want to move it up there so I can sort of drag and drop it around the document. You can also click on position and, edit different things here. Do you want it to the top left, top right, in the middle? There's lots of different options to edit your watermark. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.